Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss product bundles. Now what are product bundles? You must have seen in many e-commerce websites that whenever you actually select a product, they also show frequently bought together products, which is underneath the product, and rather than buying just one product, you can actually buy that entire bundle or more than one products from that bundle. That encourages the user to actually buy more products from you, and it gives them a hint of what products are sold together. So in order to do that in Biz 365, let's jump in. So let's say you go back into your dashboard and I'll search for product bundles. And as you can see under settings, there is product bundle. I'm going to add a product bundle and I can name this as test bundle or bundle 1. This name doesn't really matter because this name is not shown. And then let's say from here, I want that whenever somebody is buying, let's say Himalayan multi-flower honey, then as a product bundle, they should also be shown harvested raw honey, as well as they should also be shown, let's say for example, uh, Ladakh turmeric powder, Lactong turmeric powder. Now, whenever somebody is going into Himalayan multi-flower honey, they'll be able to see these three things as a product bundle. Let's see how that is done. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back into my products, type in Himalayan multi-flower honey, search for that, and I'm going to click on this. And as you can see that those frequently bought together products have started appearing here, and all these three products have started appearing as a product bundle. Now a person can either select multiple things from the bundle or just one thing from the bundle. So let's say I want to add these two things to the cart. I can directly just select these two and add to cart. What this is going to do is this is going to add both those products to my cart. And as you can see that both these products got added to my cart just by a single click, allowing the user to actually buy multiple things from you at once. That's it. Thank you.